Hey, what's up YouTube? So we are here back with the first MR2 that I've done the K24 swap in, and today we are gonna be swapping out the Type R ECU for Hondata. And basically it's still on the Type R tune from Eric's Racing, so we're just gonna run that, see exactly how it feels, and then, you know, if it doesn't feel as good as a K24 map that I'll put on here, I'll swap that out and just put that map instead. I also went and upgraded to a fuel cell and a 340 LPH pump, which is because this car's intake went out and it's kind of rusty down there, so it's gonna take some time before I can get down there and change out the pump, or maybe just delete it and go with maybe a 2 5-gallon, because that's only a 5-gallon, so maybe just run 2. But yeah, this car was kind of like in the flood, so it's just real rusty down there. So what we're gonna do, go for a little test drive and see how this car feels now compared to before. It already sounds quieter. And for you guys that didn't know, this is the 06 RSX cluster, and everything does work, like battery light, check engine light, of course, because not sure what it's going for, but we'll check that out later. Oil pressure light works, tach works, speedometer, blinkers work. If you haven't, there's a video on this if you want to check it out. If you haven't checked it out before yet, or you're interested in wiring, it's up on my channel. Should be the MR2 wiring right up. There's 2 of them. This is the 05, 06, and then I have the 02 to 04 as well. So if you guys are interested in that, just check it out. So right now, I believe VTEC's at like 5,000 instead of 6,000. And I mean, the tune's really smooth on here, so let's see how this does on a K24 TSX. It's still not the perfect tune for it, but it will work. So let's see how this thing goes. Oh yeah, throttle feels way better as well too. R ECU worked, but now we actually got Hondata, so we can do a lot more and get this thing dialed in. Let's see if we can get a launch in here. Not bad. I kind of bobbed on that launch a little here, and I'll be giving it back probably to the customer tomorrow. Still got a lot of other cars to work on, but if you haven't, guys, like, share, subscribe. Hit the notification if you want to make sure you see all the videos as soon as I post them. And stay tuned, guys. Like I said, I got a lot of content. I'm just waiting on some parts right now to come in.